cryo arm.
All
Very
stations
shortly.
stand by for the time mark. Mark means 1 minute and counting.
Minus 1 minute.
Minus 55 seconds.
All SARs are armed.
Minus 50 seconds.
Sequences are armed.
Minus 45 seconds. Minus 40 seconds.
Minus 40 seconds.
VHPP open.
Minus 35 seconds. Minus 30 seconds.
Real-time programs activated.
Minus
MOV
30
79
seconds.
open.
Roger. Minus 25 seconds.
L110 VSPP open.
Minus 20 seconds.
Minus 20.
Ignition arms armed.
15 seconds.
Cryons are armed.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, plus 1, plus 2,
S200 ignited.
plus 3,
Vehicle liftoff.
plus 4, plus 5, plus 6, plus 7, plus 8,
normal.
plus 9, plus 10
You
seconds.
just heard the announcement. Liftoff normal.
Before tracking.
Plus 15 seconds.
15 seconds into the flight.
Plus 20 seconds.
S200
First stage performance normal.
indicated as
Plus
normal.
25 seconds. Plus
The
30
vehicle
seconds.
moving majestically.
Plus 35 seconds.
Plus 35 seconds is a very critical phase during the atmospheric.
Plus 40 seconds.
40 seconds into the flight.
Plus
Vehicle is
45 seconds.
7 kilometers.
Plus 50 seconds.
50 seconds.
First stage performance normal.
Plus 55 seconds.
First stage performance is indicated normal. So we will
Plus
have
1
in the
minute.
next 50 to 55 seconds the ignition of the L110 liquid engine.
SAR1 in main auto.
75
SAR2
seconds.
in main auto.
Vehicle at
P2
18.7
P2.
kilometers.
First stage performance normal.
First stage performance normal as indicated by the range operation director.
Plus 1 minute 30 seconds.
So 90 seconds into the flight. Another 22 seconds will have the ignition of the L110 stage, which again is a very important activity. And if you look at the plots of the time versus altitude and velocity, we see a very close match with the pre-flight and the flight predictions.
L110 ignited.
Yes, L110
Plus
core
2
booster
minutes.
has been ignited at exactly 114.9 seconds. The vehicle is at an altitude of around 51.5
Performance
kilometers.
normal.
And L40 ignition and performance has been indicated normal. हम इस वक्त रॉकेट के पहले चरण के फेज से गुजर रहे हैं. जैसे कि आपने सुना, S200 रॉकेट जो जमीन पर इग्नाइट हो गया था.
S200 separated.
Just now we heard the announcement S200 solid Strapan has
Plus
been
2 minutes,
successfully
30
separated
seconds.
at 141.2 seconds. And vehicle has entered the closed loop guidance in the second phase of flight.
BL2, BL3 in main auto.
So अब
Closed loop
तक
guidance
सॉलिड ईंधन
initiated.
वाले चरणों का परफॉर्मेंस बिल्कुल नॉर्मल था और रॉकेट की ऊंचाई और गति बिल्कुल जैसे विश्लेषण किया गया था उसी तरह से काम करता हुआ. दूसरा चरण L110 स्टेज अभी इग्नाइट हो चुका है और अभी हमने रेंज ऑपरेशन डायरेक्टर से घोषणा सुनी कि यह सही सलामत काम कर रहा है. Right now
Plus
we are
3
at
minutes.
180 seconds and the altitude is around 95 kilometers.
L110 performance normal.
And we again heard the announcement of the normal performance of L110 stage. As per the nominal sequence, at 224 seconds, we should have the separation of the heat shield. So we are at 200 seconds, altitude 105 kilometers. And very shortly, we'll hear the announcement of separation of the payload fairing.
L110 performance normal.
L110 stage performance is normal. As far as the range of the vehicle is concerned, it's almost traveled 200 kilometers from the launch base. It's an altitude of around 117 kilometers. And heat shield has
Heat
been
shield
successfully
separated.
separated at 225.7 seconds. As far as the velocity is concerned, we have almost a 2.5
Plus 4
kilometer
minutes.
velocity has been imparted to the vehicle. The final injection velocity is order of 9.8 kilometer per second. The next important event will be the separation
L110
of
performance normal.
L110 ton separation, which should happen at 320 seconds. So roughly around 80 seconds to go. As I was mentioning earlier, L110 ton stage uses the Vikas engine, which is being used for L40
Plus 4
stages of
minutes, 30
GSLV, the
seconds.
liquid strap-on boosters, the second stage of GSLV, and the second stage of PSLV as well. But the duration here is almost for 200 seconds as against 145 to 150 seconds being used for the
L110
for the
performance
PSLV.
normal.
So L110 ton stage performance is indicated as normal. 3.5 kilometer per second, range of around 410, and very close
Plus 5
match of the altitude and the velocity as a function of time during the S200 and L110 phase of flight. So 320 seconds, we should hear the announcement of the separation of the L110. After which, yes, L110 tons
L110
has been
separated.
successfully separated,
L110 commanded.
and 318.6 seconds. And C25 ignition has been confirmed at 325.4 seconds. So C25 ignition has been confirmed.
Re-ignition confirmed. Performance normal.
And C25 ignition and performance of the C25 engine is confirmed as nominal. So we are at 350 kilometers, velocity
Cryogenic
of
stage
4,
performance normal.
and range of almost 633. So this is a very important announcement of
6
successful
minutes.
ignition of the cryogenic engine for the first time in the flight, and the performance being indicated as absolutely nominal for this mission. As you are aware, in the GSLV Mark III, the earlier flight which was done in December 2014, we had only the S200 and L110 stage and the passive C25 stage. So this is the first flight
Cryo stage
where
performance
the
normal.
active cryogenic stage is being flown for the first time. And just now we heard the announcement, the C25
Plus 6
performance
minutes,
is normal.
30 seconds.
So we'll have a burn time of almost 600 plus seconds into this flight. As per the nominal sequence, we should have the C25 shutoff command being issued at 964 seconds. We are roughly around 400 seconds into the flight. 4.3 kilometers. In fact, if you look at the velocity that is being delivered by the cryogenic stage during these 650 seconds of burning, almost 50% of the velocity required for the
Plus 7 minutes.
for injecting the satellite GSAT-19
Cryo
into
stage
a G2
performance
orbit
normal.
imparted by this very important cryogenic stage. This is C25 is the heaviest cryogenic stage ever built by ISRO so far. If you may recall, for the GSLV, we have used a 12.5 ton of cryogenic engine with a thrust of only around 7.5 ton. However, this particular engine, which uses almost 28 tons of propellant, generates a thrust of nearly 18 to 20 tons. So look at the flight parameters. A very close match with the what you're seeing on the bottom of the screen is the altitude plot. The red one is the pre-flight prediction, and the dotted
stage
one is the one
performance
where the
normal.
vehicle is presently flying. So all time versus altitude, time versus velocity, a very close match. 4.6 kilometer per second. This is a view of the launch control center.
Plus 8 minutes.
So another 5 kilometer per second velocity needs to be imparted. The actual velocity at the time of cryogenic shutoff should be 9.8 kilometer per second relative velocity. There's a continuous increase in the velocity during the C25 stage. 510 seconds into the flight, velocity around 4.9, and the vehicle has a down range of 1,330
performance
kilometers, and it has reached an altitude around 233 kilometers now. Another 200 seconds to go nearly. I think as we go through the cryogenic stage of flight, I would just like to highlight the the communication satellite GSAT-19, which is being flown on this
Plus
mission
9
now.
minutes.
So GSAT-19 communication satellite is configured around ISRO standard I3K bus,
Cryo stage performance normal.
and we are at an apogee of around 25,000 kilometer. Maybe another 30 seconds to go. 9:44 seconds.
Cryo engine shut off.
So
Injection conditions achieved.
C-25 engine shutoff command has been issued at 9:45. The vehicle is at an altitude of almost apogee of 35,000
Plus
by
16
170.
minutes.
And the GSAT-19 has been successfully separated. Just now we heard the announcement, GSAT-19 communication satellite has been successfully separated. So GSAT-19 satellite has been successfully separated at 960.8 सेकेंड. सो GSLV Mark 3 रॉकेट ने अपनी पहली उड़ान में GSAT-19 उपग्रह को सफलतापूर्वक अपने निर्धारित परिक्रमा में इंजेक्ट कर दिया है, और मिशन कंट्रोल सेंटर में इधर खुशी का माहौल सभी वैज्ञानिकों के बीच. और आप जो आपके स्क्रीन पर देख रहे हैं वो वन ऑफ द सैटेलाइट सेपरेशन इवेंट्स. इस सारे प्रसारण तक हम आपके साथ बने रहे, इसके लिए हम आपके आभारी. और आए चले हम आपको सीधे मिशन कंट्रोल ले चलते हैं, जहां पर इसरो के चेयरमैन श्री किरण कुमार जी हम सबको संबोधित करेंगे. नमस्कार, जय हिंद.